now and throw to the glue and oh yeah, goal. I did for the first time now. And, yes. Lifting the canvas off and I'm just perfecting the video. And so let like the how to make the handbag. How to make handbag. Oh my gosh. I just got started not playing. Hi everyone, my name is Cherilkar. Welcome back to Lockdown Activity channel. Today we are going to make a bag for something, for our dolls. So I have a paper, blue color, I cut it, some tape, color 2 decorating tape like this, and a normal tape like this. Don't forget this to make the. I used a cloth to make the handles of the bag. You could use a ribbons, anything you want, and the glue we need. Let's get started making our bag. First, we need to fold the paper like this. Now you take the glue and apply it over here. Just apply a little bit. If you apply a little bit, it will stick it easily. Now you stick it. After sticking it, you need to fold it like this. And just do it like this. And take the edge of the corners and do it like this. You do it in the other side. Oops, not too much. After doing like this, it should be looking like this. Wow, I also forgot to tell you, you also need safety pin. Now you take a glue and apply glue right over here, and over here. And you stick it like this. And over here you stick it like this. After sticking it, it should be looking like this. And I also forgot to tell you, this is really easy. Now you open this, put it down like this slowly. Take your two fingers and do it like this slowly. And now it's a grocery bag. We are not making a grocery bag. You fold this like this. Same thing in the other side. Now it looks like a grocery bag. And now a little bit more details, and now it looks like a grocery bag. But remember, not making a grocery bag. You take these paper and apply glue around the corners like this. Just trace it. Apply just little bit that it could stick nicely. And stick it over here. Oh, I also forgot to tell you, you need to stick these things in the center of inside it. Now you have to take the ribbon, anything, whatever it is, and do it like this. Make a V shape with it. Now you take the tape, the normal tape, and cut it. Oh, you also need to see that. Cut it. There you go. I'll tell you how to stick it. You have to apply the tape over here and stick it inside the bag. Do the same thing with the other one. After sticking the handles of the bag, your bag is ready, but don't forget to decorate it. We are going to decorate it with these decorative tape. Okay, I'm going to peel it. There we go. Now you put the tape over here like this. Now don't forget to cut it. Oh, the tape. Oops, it's okay. After sticking the tapes by decorating tape, your bag is completed. You can put your dolls things supplies on it. I'm going to put some things like hair dryer, comb, and my doll's mirror. Hey, what is this? Some tape. Now I'm going to put my doll's head like this. If you have non-bendy like mine, just do it like this and put the bag in the arm. Yeah. Look at that bag that she's carrying that she got from the shop. Now you could walk your doll to way home. I could go in my home. So I hope you liked it. Subscribe and share this video, guys. Bye. Bye everyone. Bye.